Hey guys, so if you've been watching the channel, you saw me install the seat jackers from Desert Does It. Well, today I'm going to be installing a MOLLE panel and clockable extension for those seat jackers. So first off, as always, let's check out what comes in the box.
The MOLLE panel comes packaged along with its two mounting bolts. The right angle bracket and clockable extension come with detailed instructions. The right angle bracket also comes along with its mounting hardware, the clockable extension and its mounting hardware. And I opted for the Desert Does It bolt-on magnets as well. So with everything laid out, I'm going to install the additional brackets and magnets before putting the MOLLE panel in the Jeep. The right angle bracket attaches to the main MOLLE panel. I then figured out where I wanted to mount the magnets. Now let's take this over to the Jeep and get it installed. Line up the bracket with the threaded hole on the front of the seat jacker closest to the transmission tunnel. Hand tighten the bolt to get it started, and then tighten it down using your Allen key or bit. Line up the mounting bracket with the threaded hole on the driver's side and repeat. If you don't want to add the clockable extension, then you're all set. In my case, I do want to add it, so let's get the extension lined up. With one bolt attached, you can set the angle you want the extension to sit and add another bolt. Now tighten down these bolts to 15 foot-pound and that's it. An easy install to add a bunch of usable storage and mounting points for your Jeep. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe for more Jeep installs and tips.